According to legend, an argument erupted between two local chiefs. A fight ensued, with one crying out the battle cry, Lau Toka, spear hit, as he victoriously killed the other. A tropical pick-me-up that packs a punch. Prepare a mint sprig and pineapple leaf garnish. Chill a Collins glass and put to one side. Collect a cocktail shaker. Add 3 dashes of Angostura bitters, which will bring depth and complexity. Next is a touch of sugar syrup. Pineapple juice provides both exotic, fruity flavors and a lovely mouthfeel to the finished drink. Fresh lime brings balance. Bacardi 8-year-old is rich and complex with tropical fruits and winter spice. Mr. Black cold-pressed coffee liqueur cold infuses beans from Brazil, Ethiopia, and Papua New Guinea in Australian grain spirit to create a liqueur that is big, bold, and intensely flavored. Add cubed ice and shake for 10 seconds. Open. Dip taste. Drain any excess water from the Collins glass. Fine strain. Position the mint sprig and pineapple leaf garnish. Rinse equipment and replace. Present and serve.